QuickBooks Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to QuickBooks Tax software are in the description if you want to check it out. QuickBooks Tax is designed for freelancers, small business owners, and self-employed individuals who need a streamlined way to manage their taxes. It offers automatic expense tracking, tax deductions, and seamless integration with QuickBooks accounting software, making tax preparation much easier. One of its standout features is real-time tax estimation, which helps users avoid surprises during tax season. It also offers automatic mileage tracking, which is useful for those who drive for business purposes. The software syncs with your bank accounts, categorizing transactions and identifying potential deductions to maximize tax savings. QuickBooks Tax includes guided tax filing, ensuring users complete their returns accurately. It supports both federal and state tax filing, with the option to e-file directly through the platform. The interface is user-friendly, with a step-by-step process that reduces errors. Another benefit is its year-round tax planning, allowing users to track estimated taxes and stay compliant. For those who need assistance, QuickBooks Tax offers access to live tax experts for personalized support. Pricing depends on the version, with self-employed plans starting at an affordable rate, while more advanced versions cater to businesses with more complex tax needs. Overall, QuickBooks Tax simplifies tax management by automating calculations, deductions, and filing. It's ideal for those looking to save time and reduce tax-related stress. If you need reliable, efficient tax software with expert support, QuickBooks Tax is worth considering. Links to get started are in the description.